Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today we're going to be talking about hamburgers, one of my favorite picnic foods. Here we go, 7 fun facts about hamburgers. Ready? Fact number 1. The name hamburger was derived from Hamburg steaks that were introduced to the U.S. by immigrants from the country of Germany. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Thanks, Germany, for our hamburger. Here we go. Fact number 2. Hamburgers weren't really much popular until its introduction at St. Louis's World's Fair, held in 1904. Thanks to the burger stand by Fletcher Davis of Athens, Texas, now we have hamburgers! Cool. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 3. In America alone, 50 billion hamburgers are eaten in one single year. Whoa, Americans love hamburgers. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 4 about burgers. How big was the biggest hamburger? Well, it was a giant. In 1982, 10,000 people came to taste the largest hamburger ever built. The burger weighed a staggering 3,591 pounds. Whoa, that is the biggest hamburger ever. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 5. If all hamburgers eaten by Americans in a single year were arranged in a straight line, it would circle our Earth 32 times. Whoa! Hamburgers around the world 32 times. Yeesh, that is crazy. Ready? Fact number 6. McDonald's holds the record of selling more than 300 billion burgers. Yup, the company sells 75 or more burgers every single second. Wow, that is mind-boggling. 75 burgers every second? Yeesh, crazy. Alright kids, here we go. The last fun fact about hamburgers. Fact number 7. One of the most expensive burgers to ever be sold was the Flair Burger 5000 in Las Vegas. It was made of black truffles, foie gras, and Kobe beef. Can you guess the price? Yup, it was in the name. $5,000. Wow, that is a lot of money for just one hamburger. That's kind of silly. Well, kids, that was 7 fun facts about hamburgers. Thanks for tuning in to Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. See ya. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. See ya. Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite foods, hot dogs. That's right, 7 fun facts about hot dogs. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. We don't actually know who invented the hot dog. Was it invented by the first person to shorten the name of the German Dachshund sausages to hot dogs? Or the first person to put a sausage in a bread roll? We don't know. But you know what I do know? Hot dogs are delicious. Ready? Fact number 2. Do you think hot dogs are sandwiches? Or are they their own thing? Well, the dictionary says that hot dogs are just sandwiches because technically they're made of split bread with a filling. But me, I think hot dogs are their own awesome thing. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 3. Which American city do you think consumes the most hot dogs? If you said Los Angeles, you'd be correct. Yup, Los Angeles consumes 34 million pounds of hot dogs every year. Whoa, that is a lot of hot dogs. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 4 about hot dogs. Mustard is the most popular hot dog topping, but ketchup comes in a close second. What do you like to put on your hot dog, kids? Me, I like to put mustard and relish. Sweet and salty. Yummy. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 5. On the 4th of July, Americans will enjoy 150 million hot dogs. Boy, does America love hot dogs. Last year, U.S. supermarket customers spent more than $2.5 billion on hot dogs alone. Wow, that is a lot of hot dog cash. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 6 about hot dogs. Every summer, there's a hot dog eating contest in Brooklyn, New York. In 2015, one competitive eater broke the record for hot dog eating when he gulped down 62 hot dogs in just 10 minutes. Whoa, 62 hot dogs in 10 minutes. I'd have a tummy ache. That's a lot of hot dogs. Alright kids, here we go. The last fun fact about hot dogs. Fact number 7. America has 2 national hot dog days. Yup, July 23rd and September 10th are America's official national hot dog days. So if it's July 23rd or September 10th, go out there and get a hot dog and celebrate National Hot Dog Day. Cool. Well, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about hot dogs. Thanks for tuning in to Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. See ya. Auf Wiedersehen. Adios. Bye. Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be talking about ketchup! That's right, 7 fun facts about ketchup. Here we go! Fact number 1. The original ketchup, known as catsup, contained no tomatoes. But it did contain anchovies. Ew, anchovies are gross. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 2 about ketchup. Ketchup was first for sale to the public by F&J Heinz Company all the way back in 1876. Whoa, ketchup is old. Here we go. Fact number 3. 97% of American homes keep ketchup in their kitchen. Whoa, 97%? That is nuts. But it's true. I got a bottle of ketchup in my fridge. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 4 about ketchup. Americans slather 10 billion ounces of ketchup on their food every year. That is roughly 3 bottles of ketchup for every man, woman, and child. Wow, Americans love ketchup. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 5. Ketchup is now mostly used as a condiment, but it was once an ingredient in foods like pies and even in really complex sauces. It was also used to flavor fish, meat, and poultry while they were still being cooked. Wow! So it used to be used for a lot of stuff, not just hot dogs. Ready? Here we go! Fact number 6. Ketchup was considered to be a medicine in 1835. Yup, it was sold as tomato pills. Wow, some doctors thought that it could cure diseases. And geez, I mean, tomatoes are good for you, but we don't know if they can cure diseases. Things were different back in 1835, that's for sure. Alright kids, here we go! The last fun fact about ketchup. Fact number 7. Ketchup is actually good for you. It contains high levels of something called lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that does lots of good things in your body. It's like super healthy. Well kids, that has been 7 fun facts about ketchup. Thanks for tuning in to Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. See ya! Auf Wiedersehen! Adios! Bye!